Welcome to aminacademy.com. In IB Diploma Mathematics regarding matrices, let us do solving pair of linear equations. Look at here. While solving pair of linear equations, we can meet three situations here. First one, intersecting line. That means two lines are intersecting at a point. Then we can say there is one common point of intersection, that is one solution. Here, one parallel lines, that means no common point of intersection because they are parallel, and we can see the situation there is no solution for the equations. Next one, coincident point. Here there is only one line, other line is coincident on that line itself, so infinitely many solutions. Now let us do some matrix multiplication here. Now find the product. 1 3 5 2 xy, which is equal row, first row with first column, that is 1x plus 3y, x plus 3y. Second is 5x plus 2y. This is a called product matrix. Now let us do some solving pair of linear equations by using matrix method. Solve 3x minus y equal 8. Then 2x plus 3y equal 6. So we know that in matrix algebra we have Ax equal to B. That means A into matrix X equal to matrix B. Then we can say matrix X equal A inverse multiplied with B. By using this algebraic formula, then we can find the solution of this one. First, the given matrix is 3x minus, given equation is 3x minus y equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So we convert this as a matrix multiplication, matrix equation. Here, 3 coefficient is 3, coefficient is 1, that is minus 1, 2 and 3 with xy equal matrix B is the constant matrix x and 8 and 6. Now by using this combination we can say xy equal 3 minus 1 2 3 inverse 8 and 6. Now we have to find this, let it be this matrix, inside matrix is A, therefore determinant A is 3 3s are 9, the crossing 3 3s are 9, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, then minus of minus 2 is plus 2, which is 11. So we have this 11, determinant is 11. Now therefore xy equal determinant 1 by determinant, inverse is 1 by determinant is 1 by 11. Interchange the diagonals. This prime diagonal is 3 and 3, so interchange itself the same. Minus 1 become plus 1, 2 become minus 2. This is a inverse of this. Inverse of this one is here. 8 and 6. Look at here. Then 1 over 11 multiply. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 into 6 is 6. Then in the second row, 2 into 8 minus 2 into 8 is minus 16 plus 3 into 6 is plus 18, which is equal 1 over 11, 30 over 2. 30 over 2. Therefore, we have, therefore you can say xy equal 30 over 11, 2 over 11. Therefore, x equal to 30 over 11, y equal 2 over 11. So we are having this. We can check this solution in the given equation 3x minus y equal to 8. Check 3x minus 2y equal to 3x minus y equal to 8. Then the second equation 2x plus 3y equal to 6. 2x plus 3y. Let us check x and y values. X is 30 by 11. 3 into 30 over 11 minus 2 over 11 equal 90 over 11 minus 2 over 90 over 11. 2 over 11 is 88 over 11 is 8. Therefore, we got first. The second one, 2 into 30 over 11 plus 3 into y is 2 over 11, which is equal 60 over 11 plus 6 over 11, which is equal 66 over 11 equal 6. Then we got the solution. Here, one more example. If matrix A equal k plus 1, 2 and 1 and k, here find k while matrix A is singular. That means here we have to find determinant A equal k plus 1 into k minus 2 into 1 is 2. What is singular means? Here if determinant A is 0, if determinant A is 0, then A is singular. Already this is A is a singular, therefore k squared plus k minus 2 equal to 0. We have to solve this quadratic. Then here minus 2 can be 2 into minus 1, therefore k squared plus 2k minus 2 equal to 0. Then k is common, k plus 2 minus 1, k plus 2. equals 0. Then k plus 2 and k minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to minus 2 or 1. So, for A to be a singular matrix, then value of k is here. Value of k must be 2 or minus 2 or 1. Minus 2 or 1. That is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 2. Then for singular. For non-singular, k should not be equal to, determinant should not be equal to 0. For A, matrix A to be non-singular, determinant A should not be equal to 0. That means k is not equal to minus 2 or 1. For this situation, this A, the matrix A to be non-singular. So far we discussed about solving linear system of linear equations by using matrix multiplication with its inverse. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.